Subscribe to our channel, World of Miscellaneous, to watch more inspiring videos. A 9-year-old boy became amazed when the rare motor car passed from his family's tiny farm, carrying in it beautiful people headed towards the nearest big city, Bhavnagar. They represented all the good things in life that he wanted: clothes, a pair of sandals, and even a pair of sunglasses. Every time he saw those people, he promised himself that he too would have the same kind of life that they had. His name is Govind Kakadia. Mr. Govind Kakadia is the head and founder of Sheetal Group, rupees 2,500 crore firm that is the world's largest polisher of diamonds by volume. He was born on 1958, Patana village, Gujarat. His father Lalaji Bhai and mother Lakshmi Ben were poor farmers. One day, a cousin from Bhavnagar arrived home. He was flashily dressed, and earned 100 rupees a month in the diamond polishing business. An impressed 10-year-old Govind Kakadia wanted to head off to Bhavnagar immediately and started pestering his parents to let him do this. A few months later, they agreed and his mother sold her only piece of jewelry to raise the 600 rupees he would have to pay for training to be a diamond polisher. In 1968, Govind Kakadia arrived in Bhavnagar. He lived on the terrace of the factory where he trained. The training lasted 14 hours a day. In 6 months, he had picked up enough to become a full-time employee at a then princely salary of 70 rupees a month. Of that, he sent 40 rupees home. A few years into the job, Govind Kakadia had mastered the art of faceting diamonds. At the age of 18, he was beginning to think that he could run a diamond polishing business of his own. In 1976, he did with his brother Vallabh, who had by then joined the business. They had borrowed 240 rupees, rented 2 polishing machines and set up their own business. The Kakadia brothers fought to stay afloat. After 6 months, Kakadia was off to Mumbai with 8,000 rupees where he bought 100 carats of unpolished diamond roughs. On the 15th of February 1978, he got married to Muktaben. His wife stayed back in the village while Kakadia built the business, shuttling between Mumbai and Bhavnagar. In 1984, he paid 9 lakh rupees to buy a flat in one of South Mumbai's most tiny neighborhoods, Walakeshwar. The same year, he bought an office in Mumbai, made his first trip to Antwerp, and incorporated Sheetal Manufacturing Company. In 1985, he shifted the factory from Bhavnagar to Surat. He realized that he would never make millions by merely polishing diamonds. Technology was still primitive and the business couldn't be scaled up. He decided to move to pure trading in polished diamonds. By 1993, however, there was better technology available, and Mr. Govind Kakadia re-entered the business. In 1998, as a sign of the company's growth, the Diamond Trading Corp, the marketing arm of diamond firm De Beers, selected Sheetal Manufacturing Company as one of the 30 companies that could directly source diamonds from it. In 2000, Mr. Govind Kakadia founded Chirag Designs to design and export diamond jewelry. Encouraged by his son Ajay, in 2003, he started eyeing the Indian branded diamond jewelry market. A year later, he launched Key, a brand that promised affordable but elegant diamond jewelry. Key has stores around the world. Key have rings, pendants and necklaces starting from 1,500 rupees for daily wear to 10 lakh rupees a piece for bridal wear. Mr. Kakadia used to say, "There's no need for an occasion to celebrate with diamonds. Being a woman itself is one. That's what we tell through our advertisements, you are the occasion." He has also launched the brand Bulari. It is the first brand in the champagne diamond jewelry category and is currently being sold through Key's exclusive showrooms. Mr. Govind Kakadia's life hasn't been a fairy tale. In the late 1970s, his business hit a downturn. He lost 2 lakh rupees and had to pay off debts of more than 50,000 rupees. The money owed to him by customers did not come in on time, and unable to cope with the stress, Kakadia went bald, and took ill for a few months. It all worked out in the end, but not before he resolved to never do business on credit. 3 years on, the business was back on track. For someone whose life is the stuff dreams are made of, Mr. Govind Kakadia is, aptly enough, a Bollywood addict, and a die-hard fan of actor Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, who played the small man who made it big against all odds in countless movies of the 1970s and 1980s. While going through his bad patch in the 1970s, Kakadia claims he survived only by repeatedly watching a Mr. Amitabh Bachchan's movie, Muqaddar Ka Sikandar, which literally translates into "Maker of My Own Destiny." He also inspired by movies like Night in London, Mughal-e-Azam, which he had seen more than 150 times. In 1996, Mr. Govind Kakadia has received National Exports Award. He also received Export Award in the year 2002. In 2006, Mr. Govind Kakadia has received Exports Excellence Award. He has received Cut and Polish Diamond Award and Retail Jeweler Award. The merchant of Luster hasn't forgotten his debt to society. He has doled out over 9 crore rupees towards educational, health and drinking water projects. He is a patron of 13 educational and 6 healthcare institutions in Gujarat and Maharashtra.